Hello, I'm going to share a video of how to make a few $1,000s profit in February 2025. Now, first of all, the risk disclaimer. Trading futures carries a high level of risk and is not suitable for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. A high degree of leverage is dangerous and can work against you as well as for you. So before you decide to invest or in any market, you should carefully consider your investment goal, level of experience, and your risk tolerance. And you should not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Right. Now, the trade for next month will be US 500, but what we always known as S&P 500. Now, the entry point is about 6,000, so you can enter on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. If you can enter at 6,001, that would be good, right? Now, target number 1 will be 5,008, right? Target number 2, 5,007, and target number 3, quite low, 5,005. We don't know whether it will reach there. We'll see how it goes. Now, the margin of 10 lots of US 500 is about $800. And if you short from 6,000 to 5,008, the profit will be around $2,000. Now, if it is from 6,000 to 5,007, the profit will be about 3,000. So you can also modify this trade for US 30, which is also known as Dow Zone, or US 100, which is also known as Nasdaq, right? So for the indices, the general target 1 will be about 3% down, right? Target number 2 will be 5% down, and target number 3 will be 10% down. Okay, so good luck and all the best. So bye.